Welcome back, all my FWG fans. That's right, Fishing with Grant. Got another great video. Thanks for coming back and watching. If you get a second, check out my website. It's fishingwithgrant.com. And I've got David Craig. He's my guide, and he can catch all kinds of fish. Rivers, lakes, ponds, it doesn't matter. I got a lot of social media stuff going on, too. Check out my Facebook, Fishing with Grant. Also, my Instagram is Fishing with Grant, Ohio. And you can also check out this group that I created on Facebook. It's FWG Rippin' Lips. Please post your videos. I'd love to see them and your pics. Shout out to my sponsors. Thank you, sponsors. And this is what I'll be fishing with today. It's a Bonafide Black Widow. I love this kayak. And I'll be fishing with the Mojo Bass. Love their poles. And of course, the Shimano. Love the Shimano reels. They're a good product. And also this Quantum Speed Freak. You know, I've always got to use Power Pro. I love the sensitivity. I love that immediate catch. That moss green is a great color. And you got to use those Fish Monkey gloves. Good grip. They protect your hands. And I'll be using this Booyah spinner blade. And I'll be using this Watermelon No Flake. Love these worms. And you better believe I'll be putting that Mega Strike in all my product. Today, Kiser Lake, kayak tournament, and you can't use a trolling motor. Hope you enjoy. This hit was super hard. I was like, I got a monster bass. But once I start reeling it closer and closer to the kayak, I was bummed, but you know what? It was still a fun fish to catch, and it was a big wiper. Check it out. thank you guys for supporting and showing back up and watching these videos. I'll keep on making these videos if you keep watching them. Until next time, take care.